Hello dear shotgun lovers, this is Said from Ferrochi Arms Shotgun Company. In this video, I want to introduce the KSA110 model semi-automatic shotgun of Ferrochi Arms. This model KSA110 has a walnut buttstock and forehand. As you see, it has a black chrome covered receiver and barrel with mobile shocks. Its barrel length is 71 cm and its capacity is 5+1. This is a 12 gauge inertia action shotgun because it works with the power of the spring in the buttstock of the shotgun, and we name it as Kinetic system. Additionally, it has a rotatable bolt here in the ejection port. We have other barrel lengths and capacity options in this model, and we can modify the shotgun as you wish. And now let's all have a test shot together of this model. For more information, you can visit our website, download our catalog, or contact us by email and WhatsApp. At the end of the video, we don't forget to say our motto: defend yourself, save the world.